down and find a word in my son. I take for this time. That look at me, try to sound in parliament. That you are young, out to your own. When you feel free to buy a month of who you don't put them around him. Don't really low up. You are not sound in parliament. Why you will have it in Roman? Buy for me to go.
Yes, I can. Yes.
Thank you very much, Mr. Tolo. I'm really privileged to have this chance to converse with you. As you stated, I was the Minister of State for Land, Housing and Urban Development. Currently, I am Senior Presidential Advisor in charge of Lango Affairs. I thank you very much for having this chance to chat with you. I would like to inform you, as the viewers, that I am contesting one, as the Vice Chairman, Northern Uganda, in the Central Executive Committee. Two, I am also contesting as the NRM MP for Irute South, which I was a minister for, and I would like to continue where I'd left before. And also, I am contesting for the chair of the district, which I have been in since day one. And I would like to add why I would like to contest mainly for the chair. Because when people of Lango did not want to join NRM, everybody was UPC. I started it, and it was a very difficult affair to talk of NRM Oye. They would like to spit in your face. But today when you talk NRM Oye, everybody will say NRM Oye. That is why I would like to hold the flag so that we continue with the multiplication of the NRM in Lango sub-region.
Wow, you guys have all heard from Honorable the amazing position is coming to contesting. Now, Honorable, I have a question for you. You've been in this leadership for quite some time. And as the Vice who is coming to lead for Northern Uganda, what core values guided you in the past years, and how do you think, if elected, you're going to be very relevant and bringing new and better things for the people in this region?
You see, the cooperation I had with the people of Northern Uganda, from Arua, Gulu, Lira, was so high that I succeeded very well. Whenever the president, our chairman of the party, would come to Arua, to Gulu, and to Lango, I would give a chance to all NRM supporters, the leadership, to meet with the chairman, since the chairman is busy, and would never tell him he would accept to meet them. So it made our work very easy, and the cooperation was very high, that unfortunately when I lost and the late took over, God forbid, we have not been having a leadership for the last 5 years. That is why I want to go back to recover the loss we had.
All right, thank you so much on that note. And as a leader who is great in this region and coming for this position, what do you expect the people of Lira, the people of Lango, and the people of Northern Uganda to expect from you? And also understanding the fact that as young people, we demand a lot from the leadership and the political leadership of our country. What contributions are you going to bring on our desk in this region?
First of all, I told you of the cooperation I had in the last previous years. The cooperation is going to start again. I told you I would like to recover the loss the people of Lango, people of Northern Uganda has got for the last 4.5 years when we lost our chairman or our vice chairman, the late Oulanyah. Now, you have talked about the youth. The youth I've been missing a lot. This evening or this afternoon, I met a team in Bar sub-county where I was just passing and they were playing football, and I had a big chat with them. I found out that these people are lacking a lot of communication, a lot of football, a lot of athletics, and they're just idle. Nobody's guiding them. But when I was there, I used to guide them. We used to have teams everywhere, football, uniform, see that they do inter-football clubs in all the districts, including Gulu, we'll call them here, including Arua, we'll call them there. But for the last 4.5 years, everything has just been at a stop without anything. So I will help and I will mobilize to see that the youth come back together and get jobs and get work in many capacities. And
as I conclude, Honorable, I know you're coming in also contesting as the flag bearer of Irote South and also as the NRM chairperson, Lira District. What should the people of Lira specifically expect from you?
The people of Lira, in particular Irote South, should expect good news from me, expect good recovery from me. Today I told you I was in Bar. Yesterday, Batwa, yesterday evening, I was in Ogur sub-county meeting everybody from Irote North because they are the voters. I mobilized them. They all told me that I'm going to go unopposed. That was by them. The radio people were there. I think it was covered in the radio because I went to church from 7:30 in the morning. I've just come back. I call it political prayers because there was fundraising and meeting of the people of the churches. So in Irote South, I am already a sole candidate and I've already passed it. I'm only waiting for the day to be declared. So the people of my area will expect a lot. Today when I went, the roads which since I graded, they have never graded. There's some schools like Bar Senior Secondary School, since I put the poles, electricity pole 10 years ago, still there, it has rotten and the people have used it for firewood. So all those are the things I'm going to do. I've already got from the new Omeme group, which has come, they have given a allocation of 2.4 billion shillings for rewiring all the electricity in Irote South. I'm having the letter with me and I've already circulated them to all the people of that area. They've already surveyed all. They've started delivering poles now. If you go to Balpe, you'll find that the poles are full under the office of Urea. So those are the things they're going to expect from me. The boreholes we have been doing. Today I talked to the PS of water. They drilled water 5 years ago, commercial water, which was going to be put in Bar sub-country. They were going to put 5 kilometers radius of water, but up to now they've done nothing. So because I connect with the government, I'm on the government side, opposition cannot go and ask. So people will keep on suffering if they vote wrongly. I thank you.
All right, as we conclude, thank you so much for all those amazing points that you have shared. Now, what would be your last remark to every Ugandan that is listening to you, coming from the heart of Honorable Sam Engola? Talk to Ugandans.
Fellow Ugandans, I appeal to you to support NRM, including our president, our father, our leader of Uganda. He has been ruling us very successfully and very well, that we have never had any attempted coup, even for one day. Because of that, he's a good leader. We should all ride behind him and support him. There is our man. That is my message to the people of Uganda today.